she thinks is. Do you know what she is?
Hello. Hello, little baby. Hello, love. Are you a boy, baby? Or a girl, baby? Boy? Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought you were a boy. It's hard to tell with your age. Well, I'm a lovely girl too, and I'm a ballerina. I love to dance. Have you ever met a ballerina before? They call me Penelope. Penelope, the ballerina. And oh, I love to sing. Michael, did you know that's a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, an ABC song, have the same melody?
Is that right?
Yeah, there's the same song, just different words.
Let's try that. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You want to play there? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So that's the ABC song.
All right.
Now for the other song. You are watching the live stream, Storytime, from Bemidji Public Library. We have one person watching. It's a slow connection, so I don't know if they're seeing it or not. Would you like to read a book? I've got a couple books here. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. The artwork is really great. This one's called My Dog is the Best. And my dog is the best. If I can find it again. Now hold on there. I wouldn't say I'm the best. No, I'm pretty good. I am good. But to say the best, I mean, I don't know. Do you know every dog in the world? I don't know every dog in the world. Well, then how can you say I'm the best? Well, I don't know. You're the best to me. Well, you might be a little bit partial. Is that your rabbit? I like to chase rabbits. Yeah, I know you do. He's not running away, though. No, he's not afraid. What's this book? This book is called My Dog is the Best. Oh, I like this book. It's about dogs. Yeah. There you go. You like a dog too? My dog is the best. About dogs, go to your local library. Oh, we're already there. My dog better than the rest. My cat is the worst. He something that rhymes with worst. What about you're happy and you know it, cry tears. If you're happy and you know it, cry tears. Wah! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, you gotta cry tears. Wait a minute. That's not right. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're sad and you know it, cry like this. If you're sad and you know it, cry like this. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're sad and you know it, cry like this. Why? But I'm not really sad.
Oh, but it's just perfect for the way I feel. Hey, everybody, BOOZHOO! Minnow Gigajabe! Minnow Gigajabe! Good morning. Minnow is good. Gigajabe is morning. And welcome to OJIBWE Storytime. My name is Emily Aubrey. This is Michael Lyons.
Hey everyone, how you doing?
And today, I got a big story I want to tell.
What story do you want to tell?
You know that children's story that we talked about before we turned on the camera that I was going to tell?
You mean Three Little Pigs?
Yeah, okay. Today's story is The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, back in the days of the grandfathers, as NANABOOZHOO would say, there were these three little pigs. And, you know what was cute?
What?
The other day at Storytime, well, we do Storytime at the library 3 days a week. I was telling the story to a little, like, she was probably 4.
Yeah.
And I go, this little pig, he built and I go, do you know what straw is? Thinking she was a farm kid. She goes, yeah, it's straw. It's hay. She goes, yeah, it's what you drink, when you get a chocolate milk. You can drink it with a straw. I went, yeah, okay. Well, once upon a time, there were these three little pigs. And they built a house made out of straws. So the big bad wolf, once again, a talking wolf, came up to the talking pigs who can build homes out of plastic straws. And he knocks on their little plastic door, tap, tap, tap. And he says, hey, little pigs, let me in. And he doesn't even have to say it very loudly because it's just a straw house of straw. House of straws. And little pigs go, well, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. You can forget it. Go away now. And he goes, oh, really? Well, watch this. Well, I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'm going to blow this house right in. So he huffs and he puffs, and he blows the house in.
They went and they built another house. But this house, that house was made of straw, by the way. This next house is made of sticks. And he knocks on the door. Little pigs, let me in. And the little pig said, not by the hair of my chin, chin, chin. Well, big bad wolf says, oh really? Well then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'm going to blow your house in. So he huffed and he puffed. And he blew the house in. Well, they built another house, but this house was made of bricks. Big Bad Wolf shows up, same thing. He knocks on the door, and he says, little pigs, let me in. And what did the wolf say? Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow that house in. Well, this time he huffed and puffed. Nothing happens. Because it's made out of bricks. And that is why, if you're ever going to live with some pigs, you should live in a brick house. This has been the moral of the story. To learn more about pigs and bricks and houses, visit your local library. I like your bow in your hair. You look like a princess. That's right. You look like a prince in your barbecuey. Oh, I get it. Are you a barbecuey? Can you say hi? Say hi to everybody in Facebook. Nobody watches if I don't have babies on here. Hello. Can I have a hug? Mwah. Thank you for watching Storytime. I'll see you again.